Hello, Sofia, Chili here, and today I'm not going to do anything about chilies or plants or cooking. I'm going to go outside and show you a nice old tram, if you're interested in trams. Okay, so let's go out the door.
All aboard!
Go. Look at this old thing. It's older than me, put it that way.
Yeah, take a picture of it.
I am taking pictures of it. Look at that. Glorious piece of engineering. And a green one at the end, pulling it. What's nice about that? That's a tram, in case you haven't seen a tram before. We'll go ride on it afterwards, if you want. Oh, off it goes again. If you have time, we'll try and ride on it later this afternoon. There you go. There's an old tram for you. Right, back home now. Okay, so that was the tram. Only a very quick glimpse of it because I've got things to do. So hopefully this afternoon we'll have a chance to actually drive on it or ride on it or whatever it is. And while I was out, I found something. I found a conker. There's hundreds of trees here. Conker trees, conkers. Now here they don't play conkers like we used to in the UK. In fact, I haven't played conkers for a few years. But there you go. Hope you like the video. Hope you like the trains and stuff. I haven't got a clue about what the train or tram was, you know, what model it was, how old it was. I'll have a look and see on the interwebs and then maybe put some kind of words up as I'm babbling on. Okay then, well have a nice afternoon and I'll see you again some other time. Thanks for watching. Bye.